The Ministry of Defence is crafting a new policy called the Defence Production and Export Promotion Policy that will allow import of only specific items that cannot be produced in India. The purchase of quick reaction surface-to-air missiles was earlier being done from global route, has now been placed on the Buy Indian list, and only Indian firms will be able to supply the missile for Army's air defence system. All terrain vehicles used in high-altitude areas will only be sourced from Indian vendors, and even the light machine guns for the Army will also be sourced from local sources. The decision to add more items on the import ban list is also expected in the coming week. After identifying several defense equipment for import from India, Bangladesh has fast-tracked the procurement of these systems under the $500 million line of credit provided by the Indian government, and they are fairly in advanced stages of procurement process. Both sides are looking to increase training, military exchanges, and joint manufacturing in the defense sector in 2022. The Indian Army has signed a contract for the Shikra Banshee Jet 40 maneuverable expendable aerial target drone with the Indian firm Anadron Systems Pvt Ltd worth 96 crore rupees, which is also the first contract signed under the Make 2 category of defence procurement procedure, in which no funding is done by the Ministry of Defence. In partnership with the British firm Kinetic Target Systems Limited, India's Anadron Systems Pvt Ltd had developed the Shikra Banshee Jet 40 that is used to represent threats posed by UAVs and enemy aircraft. It can fly up to 26,000 feet and has an operational range of 100 kilometers and an endurance of 65 minutes. The Ministry of Defence is likely to allow the public sector firm Hindustan Aeronautics to bid for the Navy's program to buy 111 naval utility helicopters, which was proposed to be executed by an Indian private sector firm in partnership with a foreign original equipment manufacturer under the Strategic Partnership route. This development comes days after the Defence Acquisition Council scrapped the Indian Coast Guard program to buy 14 twin-engine helicopters under Buy Global category, for which the Airbus was left to be the single vendor, after Russia pulled out of the competition. Soon after a new combat uniform was unveiled by the Indian Army, employees of the Troop Comforts Limited have contended that they should get the mega contract for manufacturing the new uniform, while the Army wants an open tender, as private sector companies are also interested in the tender and could offer it at cheaper rates. The order for the new combat uniforms will be placed later this year, and the delivery will begin from early 2023. A Pakistan-based think tank has said that the deployment of S400 system by India will have no impact on Pakistan's nuclear deterrence capability, and overconfidence in its newly acquired S400 air defense system might give India a false sense of invulnerability and increase the likelihood of a military miscalculation. He also said that India might use the S400 system to defend high-value targets or critical national infrastructure, as forward deployment will put the S400 systems at greater risk of attack. China has unveiled a giant bionic running military robot that will perform logistical and intelligence functions in the structure of the Chinese army. The electrically powered robot can run up to 10 kilometers and carry loads up to 160 kilograms, and can also operate on different terrains and obstacles.